Hey! Get back here right now! Drop the badge! All right, let's not make this difficult. You give me the badge, and I promise you a lifetime supply of millet. Hey, that's my badge. I can't find my badge anywhere. Did you see it? It's right here. All right, the trap is set. Nobody touches the donuts until homicide arrives. That's her. We finally have enough to connect him.
So based on the intel, it has to be one of these three suspects. The fence, the driver, or the jeweler. Which one are we looking at?
We have a lead. Did that bird just...
Look, it got the badge.
I can't believe it!
I want that report on my desk, Winnie.
Chop, chop.
Consider it done, Captain.
Give me back my badge.